Hello, friends. It's time for reading. We're going to read this book called Goal. While we read, we are going to evaluate what is most important. Think about the author's words as you listen to me read the story. Then evaluate or decide what is most important. All right, here we go, friends. An informational text is nonfiction. It gives facts about a topic or real people. Look for photographs of a real person, facts about real events, pictures with labels. Set a purpose. Think about the author's words as you read. Then decide or evaluate which details are the most important to help you understand the text. Before we read this book, we're going to review these power words. Our first word is team. There's a picture of a team. Can you say team? Good job. A team is a group of people who play a game against another group. The players on this basketball team all work together during the games. Our next word is equipment. Can you say equipment? Good job. Your equipment is the stuff you need to play a game or do a job. The equipment these football players need includes a football, helmet, and pads to protect their bodies. Coach. Can you say the word? Coach. Good job. If you coach people, you tell and show them how to do something. To coach the gymnast, the instructor tells the athletes how to do a cartwheel. The word is rules. Say the word. Rules. Rules tell what you can and cannot do. A referee makes sure that the players are following the rules of the game. The word is goal. Say the word. When you get a goal in a game, you get 1 or more points. The player blocked the ball, so the other team did not get a goal. Fan. If you are a fan of something, you like it very much. A fan supports the team by clapping and cheering. All right, I think we're ready to read this story, Goal, now. This is the author of Goal. Her name is Jane Medina. Goal by Jane Medina, illustrated by Maine Diaz. Hi, I am Colette Mora. I like to play soccer. Here is how I got started. It says, go Pizzazz. Today I get to be on my very first soccer team. I see my twin Yvonne and my friend Brittany. We have our equipment. We will have such fun. And they put labels by all of her equipment. Smile, ball, shin guard, sock, and cleats. Mr. Chan will coach us. Pick a number for your uniform, he tells us. Yvonne picks 6. Brittany picks 10. I pick 12. Pizzazz must be the name of their team. I am at my first practice. Coach tells us the rules. Kick the ball. Do not use your hands, but the goalie can use her hands to get the ball. The rules help you play fair and be safe. Then we can all have fun. Coach tells us how to pass the ball. I kick it and Brittany kicks it back. Coach tells us how to dribble the ball. Kick it a little, then run to it, he tells us. Kick, run, kick, run, kick, run. Little by little, we find out how to play soccer. I am at my first game. The referee tells us to play fair. Then we play. I pass the ball to Brittany. She kicks it to Yvonne. Kick, pass, kick, pass. Yvonne kicks it back to me. I dribble the ball. Run, Colette, coach yells. I am very quick. The goalie runs to get the ball. I kick it at the net. Then, goal! I got my very first goal. Now you know how I got started with soccer. I am such a big fan. Will you try soccer too? What do you think? Do you think you would like to play soccer? All right. It says use details from goal to answer these questions with a partner. And we're actually going to answer them on Seesaw. So right now, you are going to go back to Schoology. Oh, and if you want to listen to me read the story again, you can just replay the video from the start, and then you can listen to Miss Rieger read it again if once you hear the Seesaw questions, you don't know the answers. You're going to scroll down and click here on Seesaw. We have 2 assignments to do with this book. So you are going to go to activities. So first, we're going to do this one that says goal. We're going to add a response. View the instructions. The instructions say you can also click play, I think, to play the instructions. But the instructions say, how do Colette and her team feel when she gets a goal? Click the T to type your response. Draw a picture to match your words. Use the microphone tool to tell me about what you wrote. Click the green check when you are done. I think that I clicked the T to type my response. Then I'm going to click the hand so I can move this where it needs to be. I think that Colette and her team feel happy when she gets a goal. All right, then I'm going to draw my picture. So I'm going to use the marker and use different colors to make my picture. I'm going to make sure they all look happy. There they had their hair in ponytails. I think their jerseys were orange. And they said pizzazz on them. Maybe you'll write that on yours. Okay. I need to give them some soccer shoes. Remember, your picture doesn't have to be exactly like mine, and your words might say something different as well. All right. And then I click the microphone and I say what my picture says. So I'm going to click start recording. I think that Colette and her team feel happy when she gets a goal. Then when I'm all done, I can click the pause, click the green check saying that I'm done, and then click the green check again. And that's how you'll submit your Seesaw assignment. After you do the first assignment, there's another assignment that's called Power Words. You're going to click this that says Play Instructions, and it will read to you. It says, click on the marker tool. Use different colors to draw a picture that matches each word. Click the play button to hear the words. Click the green check when you are done. So I'm going to click this, and it's going to read me team. The red word says coach, and the green word says rules. So I need to draw a picture of a team, a coach, and rules. And then I'll click my green check. So draw a picture under each one of these words, okay? You guys got this. All right, friends. And once you are all done with your Seesaw assignments, make sure you click the green check on all of them. Then you need to do your Lexia for 20 minutes. You need to do your iRead for 20 minutes. And then you can do reading eggs for the rest of the time, okay? I miss you guys, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Good job on your Seesaw assignments, and make sure that you do both assignments and then work on Lexia, reading eggs, and iRead. Click the next video for math once you're done with that. See you later.